Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40-Static-Key-System factory food display with a keypad. This order is going out to Furmano Foods, and what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to showcase how many products or how many of their food supplies they wish to produce by the end of their shift. So in other words, they want to know how many stuff they wish to ship out or how much they want to make by the end of their shift. How it works is the client utilizes our keypad to type the desired number into the master and the secondary displays, and they are able to type up to a total of 9,999, and they can also display the time as well, the static time, utilizing our colon button on the keypad. So as you can see, this is our DC-40 key static, and it is wired directly into our secondary unit, which is our DC-25 static key. And what this does is this allows both units to display the same number. So if I type in, let's say 12 o'clock or 1200, both of the units will display the same number or time. So we're going to type in a number for ourselves. So as you can see, I just brought out our keypad that is connected to the master enclosure. So first things first, we're going to press the set button. And as you can see, both the master and the secondary units are flashing. The LEDs are flashing. This means that we can type in a number. So let's say we want to have, let's just say 1,000 food products made by the end of the shift. So in that case, we just type in 1000, and then we press the enter button to set the static display. And as you can see, it is currently displaying 1000 for both the master and the secondary units, and this is thanks to our keypad. As you can see, we can also set the static time using our colons button right here. So we just press down on this button, and as you can see, it is now displaying 10 o'clock. And if we want it to display the numbers again, we just simply press the colon button again to make it display the numbers. So one thing I would like to make mention of is when you are setting the static number and you go over 5th digit, it will remove all of the numbers that were on display here on all 4 digits, and it will display the one that you set after. So let's say I type in 0300 and then I add a 7 to that. It will get rid of the 0300 and it will only display the 7 instead. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, its enclosure is a black powder aluminum enclosure for both units. The display size for the master unit is 4 inches that could be viewed up to a total of 200 feet. The secondary unit is 2.3 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 120 feet. They are both powered separately with a 12-volt wall adapter. And lastly, for accessories, we have our wired data keypad controller, which is a DCGEN24. It has 24 programmable keys with a 25-foot long cable that has an RJ45 connector on each end, one connected to the keypad and the other connected to the master enclosure. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40 static key system factory food display with a keypad. Thanks for watching.